Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode, and in today's video we're gonna take a look at how to save a snap in chat. After watching this video, you can successfully save any kind of chat that you want to have on your Snapchat. Firstly, head over to the chat where you want to save the snap on. Now after you open up the chat, whether it be text or any videos or photos, you can save any of the chats. Now to simply save a picture or a video, you can tap on this icon which should be showing right here, which is this arrow like icon. You can tap on it, and as soon as you do that, you can see it says saved, and this particular picture or video will be saved. Now in order to save any text, you simply tap on the text like so, and this big blue line appears. That means that your chat has now been successfully saved. You can again tap on it to unsave it like so, and the chat will be unsaved. So that was a quick video on how to save snap on your Snapchat. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. Thanks for watching.